Okay, welcome to this tutorial. We are going to go over how to make the best use of BRANDi. This is the BRANDi just specifically for the six-figure swipe site students and course members. But first things first, before you get to using her, I want to make sure that you understand the ethical methods of access and use. So please, please, please make sure that you go through, read this. This is a single use license. There is no redistribution, no replications, no shenanigans, please. Okay. Respect the intellectual property. And if you ever do want to be able to, like, let's say that you have people, sorry, I've got a toddler and this is just life. You can hear that in the background. It is what it is, okay? Because we're moms building empires here. So if you ever do want to license or resell access to the main BRANDi GPT, okay, that's the one that this one was trained off of. That is BRANDi. This is the one that I have spent over a year custom calibrating. She is $1 million AI brand strategist. She's absolutely in freaking credible. If you want someone outside of this, or let's say, a friend or whatever, to have access, you know that I am all about collaboration, cash flow portals, and helping you get paid. So there is an affiliate link for this. So if you do want to sell and repurpose BRANDi, you can do so ethically in a way that honors everybody involved. Okay, so you can go ahead and ask about that, or you can get affiliate information on BRANDi by going to cashflowwithsarah.com/affiliate. Okay, so now that we have all of the boring, dusty old stuff out of the way, let's move into the fun stuff and how you can actually utilize BRANDi for your business. Now, she is cash flow coded. She is coded with my frequency and money loves speed. I like to help people get paid and I get results fast. She is coded to help you with everything you can think of on this site. She is trained because originally BRANDi 1.0 was made for my private clients from Exo Studios. That's my website design and marketing agency. And she's trained on the Wix platform. So you can ask her things like, hey, BRANDi, how do I update my payment info in Wix? Okay. When you type that in, she is going to be able to give you all of that information. It's awesome. So if you're like, how do I change my site colors? Okay. This is something that I uploaded the full course and content into. She knows everything. I spent hours and hours and hours and hours uploading the tutorials, the content, everything, so that you know exactly how to do everything. If you cannot find it inside of the course, you can ask BRANDi. She is your 24/7 on-demand cash flow course coach and concierge. She is here to help you get paid, to set up your site so that it truly does become a six-figure swipe site that allows you to automate your brand and your business and help you attract the right customers, clients, and automate your business so you can get paid. Okay, that's what she does. It's really awesome. Some of the other things that you can ask her, you can even say like, hey, what kind of things can you help me with? And she is going to be able to tell you that. Okay. She's going to tell you exactly what she can do, what's approved, and it's really fun. So have fun, play around with her. Once you access her, you're going to see her when you log in to ChatGPT. You should see her show up here underneath of the Chat GPTs. Now, please keep in mind that the link for her is going to be changing frequently. So you will want to make sure that you are a member of the six-figure swipe site, because if you ever go to log in and she's not there, go to the curriculum and this is going to be the update link. We are going to be updating this periodically, and it just makes sure that it keeps spammers, scammers, sleazy people out of there. And it just makes sure we're all operating with integrity. Okay. Alrighty. So that's that. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, please, 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 as you're going through the course and as you're using BRANDi and loving her, like literally, this is my baby. I spent a year working on this. And so I love to hear how you're loving it, if it's making your life easier. AI and an attraction is like automation attraction is my jam. So feel free to send me screenshots. You can even like screenshot her responses and tag me in a story at XO Sarah Michaels on Instagram. Really, truly, I love hearing from you. I love to see how she's helping you build your business. And we are building faster, we're building smarter, and we are building in a way that nobody else out there is building. So I hope you enjoy this. I hope it helps you. And I cannot wait to welcome you into the Six Figure Club.